Hi guys, welcome to Tech Press with yet another video. In this video, I'll show you how to add any blockchain network to Metamask. So in this Web3 world, you may have your asset on different networks, and sometimes you may want to connect different blockchain network using your Metamask. But adding each and every networks to your Metamask can take time. So because you need to find the URL, chain ID, etc. So easier way to do that is to go into chainlist.org. You can see that chainlist.org. Then connect your wallet with the chainlist.org, and you can add whatever the network you want to your Metamask. So this actually helps you switch between your network faster instead of searching and finding the chain ID for each and every network and adding one by one on your Metamask. So what you need to do is just go to chainlist.org, then connect your wallet with Metamask. It'll actually connect your wallet with Metamask. So for example, now you want to add Chronos chain. Okay, in this case, you need to connect your wallet with your Metamask. Then it'll ask you for permission. Give the permission, then you can add any of this network to your Metamask. So now, for example, you want to add Chronos mainnet. In this case, click Add to Metamask. Then it'll show you the details like network name, network URL, and chain ID. And if you want to see full details, just click View All Details, so you can see that. Then close, then click Approve. Then it'll ask you to switch network. That's okay, fine, switch network. And after you add the network, you can actually switch between these networks that are actually available. Now, for example, now I'm on Chronos mainnet beta, and there is this Polygon network that I added. So switch. So this is how you actually switch between this network in this Web3 world. Okay, so you can easily connect to blockchain websites, whatever the websites that you want. So you have all these networks here on this chainlist.org, and you can add whatever the network that you want to on your Metamask. So that's it. I hope this helps. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.